What's up everyone? Today we're going to do a brief video on the different types of stock wheels on R32, R33, and R34 Skylines. Damn, those look sweet. Those are the stock wheels that you'd find on an R32 Skyline GTS. This particular car actually was a Type S, so it was a little bit rarer than a standard GTS, and it was a pretty sweet little car. But look at those wheels, pretty sharp. Now here we have a photo of the R32 GTS-T stock wheels. There really isn't a whole lot of difference between the GTS-T and the GTR wheels. They're actually the same size roughly, except the GTRs are a little bit wider, but they also have the same exact design. The GTS-Ts are finished in a slightly brighter silver versus the gunmetal gray of the GTRs. And speaking of, those are the stock R32 GTR wheels. They're actually only 16 inches. At the time, that was a pretty big wheel, especially in 1989, but nowadays it's almost laughably small. Here we have a set of R33 GTR wheels. These are actually pretty popular and common to swap onto the R32s, as they upgraded from a 16-inch to a 17-inch wheel for the R33s. And this one's probably most iconic for all Skyline GTR wheels. These are the R34 stock wheels. Again, they upgraded from the R33s up to an 18-inch to keep with the times and give the car a slightly more aggressive look. Every now and again you'll see somebody swap these onto an R32, but it's not nearly as common as the R33 wheels. These are also considerably more expensive when you're looking for them on the used market. Well, we hope you enjoyed that quick video on wheels. If you're not already a subscriber, please click that subscribe button so you can get more videos like this. Thanks for watching this video, and have a good one.